make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really great day today. Today I'm coming at you with part 1 of my new series, which is going to be the best of Lush. So basically I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite bath bombs, bubble bars, hair things. I did something very similar to this a few years ago and it went down really well, so I thought I would do it again and kind of tell you my updated favourites and that kind of thing. So today's video is going to be obviously all the fragrances, so perfumes, solid perfumes, body sprays and that kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any, because they're going to be coming out kind of every few weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So I'm going to start off with the solid perfumes and I have 4 favourites to share with you. So the first one is All Good Things, which is one of my absolute faves. Now this one looks half used and it's basically not really been used at all, because this is my second one of this because I loved it that much. I actually had 2 of them. The other one looks really disgusting because I've had to like dig my nail in it and it looks really gross. So I've gone for this one to show you instead. But this one has a really nice smell to it. It's kind of like woody and earthy but like sweet at the same time. And when I first smelt this, I didn't like it, but it's actually really good. When you buy these, it actually comes with a layer of gold glitter on top as well, which is really cute. But obviously, from where I've used it, that's kind of gone. You can kind of see it a little bit in the camera, but I do really like this. And I think that it's just really lovely. And obviously this is the old style packaging as well, so it's proper vintage now. The last 3 solid perfumes were all from the limited edition Lush Kitchen when that used to be around. So I'm really sorry that you can't buy these, but these are my like top faves, so I wanted to show you them anyway. So the first one is American Cream, and this one smells so good. Exactly like the conditioner, which is like a strawberries and cream scent to it. It's so good and really nice in the summer. Definitely more of a summer fragrance than a winter one. I wouldn't wear this in the winter, but in the summer this is really pretty and I just really like it. Unfortunately, like I said, you can't buy it anymore, but hopefully they'll bring some out on the Lush Labs now, so fingers crossed. Really good. Then we have one which I bought years ago, and that is the Comforter. Now this one smells so good. It's like a black currant smell. I mean, they're all the same colour, so they're all kind of cream, but the scent is so good. It's a really sweet black curranty fragrance, exactly like the Bubble Bar or the shower gel when that used to come out, and that was so good as well. But this is really nice, really sweet. In my opinion, which is quite controversial, I prefer this to Snow Fairy, but I still like Snow Fairy, but I do prefer this one. So if you like sweet scents but you don't like Snow Fairy, you'll probably really like this one because it's not that sickly sweet. It's a really nice sweet smell. So I would give this a go if you can get your hands on it. Speaking of Snow Fairy, I feel like I couldn't not mention it in this video. So the next one is the Snow Fairy Solid Perfume. Again, this one is the same colour, so it has no colour to it. I actually have 2 of these, so this is the one that I haven't actually used yet, but it smells like the typical Snow Fairy bubblegum sweet smell, which I really do like, but I just think the Comforter's more kind of my sort of smell. But if you like really bubblegum super sweet scents, you will love this one. It's so nice, but like I said, it just isn't as good as the Comforter in my opinion. So I actually have 2 fragrance oils to share with you, and again, these were limited edition, so I'm really sorry. I just don't really like any of the all year round scents. I'd rather be honest and not lie to you and say that I really like something, because the all year round scents, I'm just not a fan. I need to go into Lush again and like smell them all again. I'm meant to be going to London tomorrow with Holly, so hopefully we can pop into Lush and have a smell of that. But I just really like the limited edition ones. They're kind of more up my street. So anyway, the first one is the Yolk Nog fragrance, and this smells so good. Literally, I'm putting some on now. This smells like cupcakes. Oh, that just smells so good. Literally exactly like the soap, this one. It's just really nice, really sweet, and it's something that if you don't like the smell of like the Yankee Candle cupcake candles, you won't like this at all, because it's that really sweet kind of baking cookie kind of smell. But if you love that, you will love this one. So if this comes out again on the Lush website and you like that candle, you'll probably really like this one. Next up, we have one of my all-time absolute 100% favourites. I have this in a body spray, in a perfume, in a solid perfume, and in the oil, but I just grabbed the oil to show you, and that is Lord of Misrule. I absolutely love this one so much. It's like my all-time favourite scent. I haven't smelt this in ages, because I haven't really worn it because it's more of like a Christmas sort of smell to me, but that just smells incredible. I realise I just smelled the lid, but it's because it smells like it. I'm not just being a weirdo, but my absolute favourite. I love this so, so much. I'm really glad I have it in all of the kind of forms of the scent, if that makes sense, because I just really, really like it, and the body spray just makes me smell like really yummy spices and amazingness for the entire day. So definitely get your hands on this one. If you like Lord of Misrule, you will love this one. You need it in your life. Buy 12. Thank me later. Next up is probably one of my actual favourite perfumes from Lush, and annoyingly they don't sell this in all of the shops. They only sell it in one shop, actually two shops, the Oxford Street store and the Pool store, and that is 29 High Street. Now I use this perfume very, very, very sparingly because I can't get my hands on it on a regular. As you can see, that is all that I've used, and I actually have another bottle of it, but I just don't want to use it up because I love it so much. And oh, this just smells like heaven. It smells like a Lush shop. It's so good. Oh, it's amazing. This one actually tells me what's in it, so I can actually tell you. It's ylang ylang, sandalwood, jasmine, lime, lemon. So it's really sweet, but got like a woodier smell to it. But it's supposed to smell like a Lush shop, and it just smells amazing. And it brings back so many like memories for me. It's bringing back all the nostalgia from when I worked at Lush because it just smells amazing. So if you can get your hands on this one, I would absolutely 100,000,000,000% recommend it because it is so, so good. I love it. And last but by no means least, I actually have this last fragrance in a body spray, and I think I have about 3 of the solid perfumes, and that is the Twilight body spray. Now this I absolutely am obsessed with. I have the body lotion in this, the perfume in this, the body shower gel thing. I just friggin' love Twilight body scents. I just love Twilight. It's so good. And this one is basically lavender and vanilla, so it's a really sweet lavender smell. And I hate lavender, but I love this one for some reason. Like fresh lavender just isn't my cup of tea, but actually this one is so good and I cannot recommend it enough. If you can't sleep at night or something and you need like a little pick-me-up, this one is a 10 out of 10 for me. It's just amazing. So yeah, get this one. So good. So those are all of my favourite fragrances. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your favourite Lush fragrances are. I would absolutely love to know. And don't forget to subscribe because we are nearing 10,000 subscribers and I'd love to get there this year. Hopefully, fingers crossed, and there'll be a massive Lush giveaway as soon as we do so. So make sure you subscribe. Also share it with your friends and we will hopefully get there very soon. But with that said, I'm going to go. I'm going to drink my coffee and have a good afternoon. So I shall see you guys very soon. Bye guys.